Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Mac OS Sonoma, and now I can show you how to use Notes application on this device. Anybody knows that Mac OS Apple Notes is very powerful and note-taking application. And if you have Apple devices, you don't need to buy any other note-taking apps. You just can use standard Apple Note. Of course, it's not free, so it's free, but Apple Notes is binned to your iCloud, and when you're taking a lot of notes, it's just consuming space on your iCloud, and for the time during the years, you can create thousands of notes that will consume gigabytes of your storage, and you will need to pay for it every month. So after years, it will be like a normal subscription to the Notes application. Okay, so firstly, let's open Notes. And what we have here. So here on the left panel, we have Quick Notes. To create the Quick Notes, if you have a device with the globe button, so you need to click globe plus Q button, or if you have a device without globe, click F and Q, and you will open the Quick Notes. And here, as you can see, here we have the quick Command Q, Command Q, F and Q, create a fast note, and it will appear here in a Quick Notes. And then you will need to make something with it. For example, move to normal notes, or I don't know, or remove it. iCloud. iCloud, all your notes will be saved in the iCloud. So in the iCloud, we have all our notes. To create the tag, you need to just enter this tag in any note. For example, I will create tag 1 to 3, and create, as you can see, this tag. This tag. Okay, maybe I can't create tag with numbers. So let it be tag Italia. And as you can see, tag Italia was created successfully. We can create the folders. To create the folder, just click new folder, and for example, create the name for the folder. You can create folder inside the folder. To do it, just create the folder and move it to the folder using your trackpad. In this way, you can move folder to the folder. Inside the folder, you can change the folder. You can rename it. You can create new folder into the folder. You can change the sorting inside this folder and grouping too, or you can create the smart folder. Smart folder is the folder that automatically adding notes inside of it. For example, I have created the study folder, and here this is the smart folder. Why? Because as you can see, we can check the settings of the folder. All notes, when I will add other T tag, will be automatically added to this folder. But I can create several tags. So when I, for example, other T, QWERTY, Italia, and when all of 3 tags will be in one node, so in one node, yep. So this node will be automatically moved to the study folder. Or you can create the smart folder by the date. For example, all nodes from 1st March to 31 March, for example. Add created March. Folders, attachments. So if you have attachment, if you have no attachment, for example, you can create a smart folder with all notes that including scans, for example. So it's very, very, very powerful instrument, and I suggest you to try it. Cool. So here we have left panel. We can close it. Here we have the view of our notes inside the folder. For example, I can enable the tiles mode or just normal list mode. When you have enabled the list mode, here you have notes. Here you have the preview of the note. To open several notes at the same time, you just need to click on this note twice. And click on the another note twice. And as you can see, several notes are opened simultaneously. Cool. What next? Nextly, what we can do in the notes. Of course, we can create a title of the note. We can change the type of the text. We can create the presets in settings. We can create the task list. So task 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can create the sheets. So cell 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can change it. We can move it. It works smooth. Of course, it's not powerful cells editor, but it's not bad for primary tasks. Okay. If you have the photo inside, you can, not if you have the photo, but if you have the iPhone that's connected to the same Apple ID, you can click on this button and click take a photo, and your iPhone will open the camera application and you can take the photo, and this photo will automatically add to this note. If you will click scan document, it will automatically open scan document future, sketch, and you will be able to draw a sketch on your iPhone screen or iPad screen, and it will be automatically added to the note. So it works cool. Here we have a lock note future. Clicking on it, you can create the password for the note. So go to system settings and set up the password. So first, of course, wait a while. Oh no, I need to I need to free up the space in my cloud drive. But you can change this password in the note settings. But I'll show you how to do it later. By clicking on this button, of course, we can create a new note. Unfortunately, we can't drag notes and maybe drag note from one place to the different node and merge it in this way. No, unfortunately we can't, but we can duplicate nodes clicking Command D or clicking with 2 fingers on the node, and here we have duplicate node. Cool. We can pin node. To pin node, you need to swipe with 2 fingers right or click with 2 fingers on this node you're gonna pin and click pin node. In this way, this node will be always in pinned. So on the top, as you can see, if I will pin this node will be on the top always. Cool. What the next? what the next? So maybe we need to follow settings. So open Notes and open Settings. And in the settings, we can change the sort type. For example, you can sort by date. You can sort by date created or edited, or sort by title. Default account, iCloud or Google. No new notes, start, piece, title, heading, subheading. Automatically sort ticket times. Allow mention notification, enable on the My Mac account or disable. Use custom password. So locked notes. I suggest to click change password and create the password for your note. I need to reset this password because I forgot my old password, and I need to enter password from the my Apple ID account. For example, in my case, I need to enter my password. You need to enter your password. Okay, then click reset password, then click use login password, go to system settings. It will open this window again, unfortunately, because I have no space on my device. Oof. So unfortunately I can't help you how to create a new password for the note. But if you have space, I think it will very easy to do, because now you know when you can find this feature. And that's it. So in the format, you can change the type of text, for example, bold, Italy, dashed, quote, numbered list, dashed list, bullet list. For example, here we have the note with the text. Just click format and, for example, dashed list. Cool. In this way you can provide this text. In the view, you can change the sorting, attachment view, set all to small or set all to large. For example, if you have several attachments, you can click on the attachment and click set all to small, and all attachment will be small, and to open it you need to click on it twice to see full size of the image of the attachment. Zoom in, zoom out, so everybody knows about this feature. Previews, note, hide bar, customize the bar. So I think I'll show you everything what you need to know about the Apple Notes application. I hope this video was helpful for you. So thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.